Sometimes employers find out that you've been arrested while you're working for their company. And if you find out that HR is looking to bring you in to talk to you about the case or to talk to you about what happened, you need to notify your criminal lawyer immediately and have them get involved with the situation. Now, typically court documents are public records, so this is something that the employer can get on their own if they chose to do so, but sometimes employers want to do a bigger conversation with the client about what happened and what the conduct was, and you really need to speak to your criminal attorney before you agree to the sit down, before you do the interview, because ultimately, especially if your criminal case is ongoing, you may have a right to assert your Fifth Amendment privilege against self-incrimination, but your criminal lawyer needs to assess just the risk to your employment if you were to do that, and also the risk to your criminal case if you were to actually come in, sit down, and talk with the employer about the conduct, especially if the conduct is in any way related to your employment. So if you're employed and if you have a criminal case and if HR is like, hey, come on in, we want to talk to you about your arrest or the investigation or the criminal case, you call your criminal lawyer to tell them this is what they want to do before you do anything else. And chances are you also may need to speak with an employment attorney to get their insight on what to do in your situation. So do not agree to anything without speaking at the very least to your criminal counsel, if not outright an employment attorney.